Now here you see we will be dealing with drug and alcohol abuse. So basically we need to know what is drug abuse. First part we will be doing the drug abuse, and in the later part we will be doing the alcohol abuse. So basically what is drug abuse? You see, several plants, fruits and seeds and flower extracts, if taken other than medicinal uses, impairs one physiological, psychological function, and that is known as drug abuse. What is impair? That means what? The person cannot physically move, physiologically cannot coordinate. So that condition is known as drug abuse. Okay. Now you see we have various categories out here. First is the opioid. Okay, opioid, the common name of opioid, you can see that opium. Opium is also a common example. So opium basically it is extracted from the poppy seed. Okay, morphine. Okay, that is known as the Papaver somnifera. So this is Papaver somnifera is the scientific name of a poppy plant, and the latex extracted from this gives you an opioid. Okay, so basically what you get, it affects, how does it affect the human body? It affects the central nervous system. Okay, and it is basically a depressant. What is depressant? It slows down the body activity, and it is locally known as smack or heroin. Okay, now the next one is, that is cannabinoids. Now what is cannabinoids? Cannabinoids basically it is obtained from the inflorescence of Cannabis sativa. Cannabis sativa is a plant whose extract causes is another, it affects the cardiovascular system of the body, and it collectively the flowers, the inflorescence and the seeds of this plant is also termed as marijuana. Okay, so next comes the cocaine. So what is cocaine? Cocaine is another plant extract. It is from Erythroxylum coca. Okay, it is a red herb that is known as Erythroxylum coca. This is a common name of cocaine, coke. Now basically how does it affect? It affects the transport of neurotransmitter. What is neurotransmitter? They are certain centers of the brain, and that releases certain hormones. So this dopamine is another a feel good hormone or a sleep inducing hormone. Okay, it's a okay, so it is a feel good hormone that is known as dopamine, that is transported by the secreted by the neurotransmitters of the brain. But here the cocaine induces maximum amount of dopamine, so the person is potentially stimulating. It is a potent stimulating, and acts on the central nervous system. The person becomes very energized, and it produces euphoria. What is euphoria? Euphoria is a condition, for example, seventh heaven. Okay, and it increases the energy. So they are misused for doping the sportsmen. Okay, this is also one of the side effects. Okay, now here we come into the chapter. Here again you see opioid. Okay, they are white crystalline bitter colorless compound. These are obtained by the acetylation of morphine. Morphine is a latex extracted from this poppy seed. You can see this is a common poppy seed, and this is the chemical structure of morphine. Okay, now again here poppy, you see this is known as Papaver somnifera. Then another, see, it is a depressant effect. Now cannabinoids is it is again extracted from Cannabis sativa. Okay, here is generally inhalant, okay, or oral ingestion, and it affects the cardiovascular activities. Okay, now here again you see they have several others, marijuana, hashish, charas, ganja, they all come under the cannabinoids. And there you come the cocaine. Cocaine is basically, it is another plant extract from Erythroxylum cocaine, okay, or commonly it is known as coke here. Now it is usually taken as a snort. Snort means the person sniffs it, and it interferes with the transport of neurotransmitters of dopamine. I said earlier that dopamine is a feel good hormone, and the person, it stimulates the central nervous system, and the person experiences a sense of euphoria and increased energy. An excessive dosage of cocaine can also cause hallucination. What is hallucination? You imagine things that are not real. That means you just proceed to an imaginary world. Now there are certain drugs that is known as atropa, belladonna and dhatura. Okay, so these also have the cannabinoid properties and can be used for doping a sportsman for excess amount of energy. Now there are certain drugs, that is used for a medicinal purpose. For example, barbiturates, okay, amphetamines and benzodiazepine. Okay, so these are similar drugs, and that can be used as a medicine to heal illness. Okay, so patients with coping with mental illness like depression, insomnia, and often post surgery patients are also there. Now morphine can be used as a sedative. What is sedative? Sleep inducing. It can be used as a painkiller, and it's very useful in patients who have undergone surgery. And for several years we have been using these fruits, we have been using these leaves, we have been using this seeds throughout the world for religious ceremonies, for medicinal purpose and rituals all over the globe. But again, when these are taken apart from the medicinal use, and it amounts and frequencies that impairs one physiological, psychological activity, and that time it is called a drug abuse. And then comes a very common use of another, that is tobacco. Basically tobacco is extracted from the tobacco leaves, and that is an alkaloid form chemical, that has a alkaloid chemical that is called nicotine. It stimulates the adrenal gland to stimulate adrenaline and noradrenaline in the blood. So what are the side effects? That increases the rise in blood pressure, increases the heart rate. Then basically if the person is continuing smoking for a long time, the person may suffer from lung cancer, urinary tract cancer, throat cancer, emphysema, coronary heart disease, and many. And even it increases the carbon monoxide content in the blood and decreases the heme-bound oxygen in the blood, and that may cause a deficiency of the oxygen in the body. Okay, so basically these are there are certain stationary warning attached to it, and the person suffers a lot by taking these drugs. In the later part we will be doing with drug and alcohol abuse in adolescent. Okay.